In today's lecture, we will study about central dogma of molecular biology. Here, we will be looking into DNA, RNA, and proteins and how they are connected. Now we know that we have DNA and DNA has got all the information that we possess. Now suppose we have a document, you have a document with you and it is in another language which you are not able to read. Now firstly that document has to be translated into another language. Now that translated document, it has the same function as is done by RNA, क्योंकि राइबोसोम्स जो हैं वो डायरेक्टली इंफॉर्मेशन जो डीएनए में होगी उसको रीड नहीं कर सकता. नो, द इंटरमीडिएट इज द RNA or the translated language which is read by the ribosomes. Now this RNA, it is finally RNA, it finally gives the information to form what is known as the proteins. And the proteins, it of course have diverse function. As a result, we have the phenotypic expression. Now this concept, it was first of all proposed by Francis Crick in the year 1958. So we see that the central dogma of molecular biology, it describes the flow of information from the gene sequence to the protein product. Now in this diagram, we are seeing that from DNA, through the process of transcription, the RNA is produced. Now in this process, set of proteins, they help in copying this information from DNA to RNA. Now from the RNA, by the process of translation, the proteins, they are synthesized. We are seeing here the proteins. Now it is not that only this process occurs. We see that the cell division, it take place, and every cell, it needs to carry the information, and hence the process of replication, जहाँ पे कि DNA जो है उसकी कॉपीज़ बनती है और हर एक जो सेल है या डॉटर सेल जो है उसको जो DNA की कॉपी है वो मिलेगी. Now this is known as replication. Now we have, it's not that always transcription, translation and replication processes occurs. This view is known as the classical view. We have certain exceptions also, like it's not that always from DNA to RNA is produced in some of the organisms, like in case of viruses which have the RNA genome. We have these viruses, they have the reverse transcriptase enzyme. Now these reverse transcriptase enzyme, what they do, they help in copying the RNA into the DNA, क्योंकि उनको भी तो अपना प्रोटीन्स वगैरह सिंथेसाइज, ऑल्दो वो होस्ट की मशीनरी यूज़ करते हैं, बट स्टिल उनको रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के थ्रू DNA फिर प्रोटीन्स अगेन RNA बनाना है. Now these are certain exceptions. Now this was all about the central dogma of molecular biology.